If you're wondering how you can approve to get a cash reward from Navy Federal, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now you can see to actually apply for a cash reward, you will need to fill out a form from this link up here, right? So from this button, from this link up here. And you do need to be someone who's enrolled in digital banking, right? So because you need digital banking to access this, so you will have to enroll in digital banking like this. But to get approved, we can check on our eligibility here, right? Now, on our eligibility here, you can see these are the people that's eligible for this service, which is active duty, retired, and veterans. So someone who has served in the army before. It's also someone who's a family member of those people on top, which it basically means someone who's actively serving, retired, or veterans. There's also Department of Defense civilians. There's also minor memberships, right? So if you're an existing member and a parent, grandparent, or guardian of a minor, you can sign in and share the gift of membership using our online minor membership application. So if you want to be approved, you need to be one of these, right? So if you're just a civilian and you're not serving in the army, you will have to be you're not going to be eligible for a membership. But once if you are eligible for a membership, you just have to apply now here, submit a form with your online banking credential, and you will be able to get a cash rewards. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.